This is 10-inch mesh, and we're going to cut it using our cutting mat. So we're going to cut them again about 16 to 18 inches long. Open up all of these twist ties. We're going to just simply lay it flat in our hand and pinch right in the middle, gathering towards us. You just place your mesh inside and then take those twist ties and secure it. Just work in one piece in every twist. And roughly measure out 13 to 14 inches. Snip it off, and once you do that, you can dovetail. But now it's time to work it into the wreath. So we're gonna take each piece, fold it in half, pinch in the middle, and place them in the twist. Now it's time to work in our bunny bottom, and do come with wires, so it's really easy to place them right on your mesh wreath. Always secure these to the metal frame. We're just gonna take these ears, poke those wires through, and make sure we do what we did last time. And here is how the adorable bunny wreath turned out. It was super easy and rather inexpensive.
I am just going to be using 2 different sizes of styrofoam wreath forms. All I'm going to do to start off is I'm just going to put down a little bit of hot glue. Then I am just going to attach that jute rope. Going to start wrapping. I wanted to make sure that the top portion does adhere to the bottom portion. I'm just going to take some remaining twine, and I'm actually going to wrap all around right in the center. It's not complete without its little Easter ears. Stick that right inside the styrofoam. My wires are all in. I'm just going to add a bead of glue, place down my jute rope. And what I'm going to be adding on is just these little florals that I got from the dollar store. So I think I'm just going to put a couple of these eggs on there as well. And our rustic Easter bunny is all complete.
I'm gonna wrap all of the boxes. Going to be using some felt from the dollar store to give them some texture. Next, we're gonna add some purple felt to the bottom half, a couple of buttons. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the fabric off of these headband ears. Next, we're gonna place the ear onto the box, and then we're gonna hot glue it into place. And on this box, we're going to add a face. Next, we're gonna start assembling the pieces to complete our spring bunny. Here he is on display, all ready for spring.